Hey, it's Lauren, and welcome to another 2-Minute Tuesday. It's the show where you learn how to live better through finances in about 2 minutes. Today, I'm speaking to all my broke college kids. We're letting you know about some free things to do in the Triangle area. Let's break it down in 2 minutes. As a college student, you're expected to be broke. Do you have fine wine tastes on a cheap beer budget? Well, here are a few ways to have a lot of fun in the Triangle area for free. Yes, I said free. I know what all of you are thinking. Where's the best place to take the most Instagram-worthy pictures? Well, have no fear, my fellow Insta influencers. Snap some pics at the Duke Gardens with the beautiful array of flowers and roses. In Chapel Hill, there's the North Carolina Botanical Garden. Or get an infamous picture at the Dorothea Dix Park with the sunflowers. These places are guaranteed to make your Instagram aesthetic pop. If you're the type of person that likes to stay active, the Triangle's got you covered, especially with disc golf. Did you know that from Apex to Zebulon is one of the nation's top destinations for disc golf? Grab some friends and visit Cedar Hills Park, Buckhorn, or Zebulon Park to play a round of disc golf for free. Yell, "Free food!" and a flock of college students will come running. So for all my sweet tooth lovers out there, you can take a self-guided tour at the Videri Chocolate Factory and get free samples of their chocolate. Take a break from eating frozen foods and ramen and go to First Fridays in downtown Raleigh to enjoy live music, art, and even wine. But here's a tip for all you free food lovers. If you gather early enough, the art museums may even give out some free food. There's even great things to do in the Triangle that might relate to your major in college. Visit the North Carolina Museum of Art, CAM Raleigh, or the Wake Forest Historical Museum. Maybe even score some extra credit from your professors. The nightlife in Raleigh can get expensive, and there's only so many frat parties one college kid can take. Gather amongst the stars and watch a movie for free at the Dorothea Dix Park or Carey's Cocoa Booth Amphitheater. College can be anxiety-ridden. From tests and exams to dating and friend drama. To get rid of some of this anxiety, visit your local animal shelter for free to view all of the cute doggies. Staring into those cute puppy dog eyes is a surefire way to forget about that midterm or final. So that's another 2-Minute Tuesday in the can. I'll leave a link below to all of the places that I mentioned. And if you have any free things you like to do in the Triangle, then leave them in the comments below. If you snap a pic at any of the places that I mentioned, be sure to hashtag your photos, hashtag Coastal24, and tag @Coastal24 so we can view them and respond. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's also free. And hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all the latest videos from Coastal. And remember, the best part of banking better is living better.